Hey everyone, and welcome to the Geo Dudes. I'm Mark, and I'm super excited to share our passion for maps, cartography, and geography with you. In today's video, we'll give you a brief introduction to cartography and what you can expect from our channel. So what is cartography? Cartography is the art and science of making maps. It's a fascinating field that combines design, geography, and even a bit of history to help us better understand and navigate our world. From ancient maps drawn on clay tablets to modern digital maps that we use on our smartphones, cartography has evolved over time to become an essential part of our lives. We love cartography because it's a unique way of telling stories about our world. Maps can reveal the way people have thought about the world in the past, show us the boundaries of nations and cultures, and even help us visualize complex data in a way that's easy to understand. And of course, maps are just plain fun to look at and explore. Here at the Geo Dudes, we'll be covering a wide range of topics related to maps and cartography. You can expect map reviews, map creation tutorials, and deep dives into the history of maps and cartography. We'll also explore how maps have shaped our understanding of the world and how they continue to evolve in the digital age. We can't wait to share this journey with you, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest map-related content. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to share our passion for maps, cartography, and geography. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Reddit for even more map-related goodness. Thanks for joining us on this cartographic adventure, and we'll see you next time on the Geo Dudes. Happy mapping!